Ever wondered how philosophy, especially ancient philosophy, could play a crucial role in our rapidly evolving, technology-oriented world? Philosophy undoubtedly maintains its relevance amidst the enormous technological progress we've made. Notably, Stoicism, a school of thought that originated over 2 millennia ago, presents timeless wisdom that can provide direction in our modern lives. This philosophy, contrary to many others, is pragmatic and adoptable in real-life situations. Stoicism instructs us on staying composed in the midst of life's chaos, providing approaches to manage stress and face dilemmas head-on with resilience. It promotes logical reasoning and emotional equilibrium, attributes greatly required in our high-speed realities. Find this fascinating. As the scene transitions with a gradient wipe, let's journey through the corridors of time to grasp the core of Stoicism and its practical uses. Begin with this thought. Where did it all originate? Picture an overflowing marketplace in Athens, dating back to 3 centuries before the Common Era. Zeno, known as a merchant, endures a disastrous shipwreck. Yet he chooses not to succumb to despair, but rather finds solace in philosophy, culminating in the creation of the Stoic school. As we transition smoothly with a gradient wipe, we see Stoicism flourishing, with celebrated thinkers like Seneca, a statesman standing firm amid Rome's chaos; Epictetus, a previous slave who metamorphosed into a revered teacher; and then there's Marcus Aurelius, an emperor who, despite his royal responsibilities, manages introspective meditations. A Roman emperor indeed, who carves out time to write down reflective contemplations in the midst of his imperial duties. At the heart of Stoicism lies 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. As we transition smoothly through a gradient wipe, we delve deeper into the Stoic philosophy. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of self-control and personal growth. It encourages focusing on areas within our control, our choices, actions, and attitudes, and discourages investing time in external events and the actions of others, which are beyond our influence. As the gradient wipe continues, we find Stoics advocating for a lifestyle in harmony with the natural world, promoting acceptance of changing tides of life. This calls for resilience and the ability to navigate life's ups and downs gracefully. Concluding our gradient wipe transition, we understand the Stoic call for living in agreement with nature, accepting life's ebb and flow with grace and resilience. As you ponder on the question, how can one incorporate Stoicism into daily life? Initiate by introspecting. With the break of dawn, contemplate the coming day, acknowledge your power, and prepare for challenges with tranquility. As we gradually wipe into the day, strive for wisdom, valiance, justice, and moderation. These virtues serve as your beacon in the tempest of life. As we transition smoothly with a gradient wipe, when faced with adversity, remember the profound words Epictetus, a renowned Stoic philosopher. He wisely stated, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Let this principle steer you through the roller coaster of life. Another practical Stoic exercise is negative visualization. Picture losing cherished possessions, your job, home, or loved ones. It might seem dark, but it's designed not to scare you, but to foster gratitude for the present and readiness for possible loss. This practice also helps you appreciate your blessings. Gradient wipe transition. To wrap up, Stoics also engage in voluntary discomfort, like fasting or enduring cold, to build resilience and minimize reliance on comfort. So take on the challenge, forgo that hot shower or cake, and discover the power that comes from weathering adversity. Stoicism is not just an ancient philosophy, but a guide for a fulfilling life. It's more than archaic scriptures. It's about navigating the real-world chaos. As we transition with a gradient wipe, we find ourselves in the company of Zeno, Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius. Their teachings on virtues, wisdom, courage, justice, temperance through time. The key is discerning what's within your control and what's not. Like nature, we learn to accept life's unpredictability with grace and resilience. In essence, living in harmony with nature, acknowledging the uncontrollable, and practicing virtues encapsulates the essence of Stoicism. Through this gradient transition, we reveal the art of living as a Stoic. That, my friends, is the essence of a fulfilled,